Sony finally has matte black and cosmic red DualSense controllers ever since the PlayStation 5's design reveal. I have been wondering how gorgeous the console and the new DualSense controller will look in a black color. Up until now, it seemed that the only way to get anywhere close to that was with a skin or replacement PS5 plates. Now, Sony is finally taking us one step closer to that vision with two new colors for the new PS5 controllers. Sony has today announced that the DualSense controller for the PlayStation 5 will be available in two new colors, Midnight Black and Cosmic Red, and I kid you not, they look amazing. The Midnight Black, which is basically matte black, is the stuff my dreams are made of. It's all black, it looks stunning, and is making me wonder if I made a good judgment call by not buying the PS5 when it was available for a small window in India. Cosmic Red is not exactly my cup of tea, but I would be lying if I said it didn't look good. It's a stunning red color that will undoubtedly look amazing as well. The company hasn't announced when we will be able to buy these controllers, other than hinting at a global availability sometime next month. The company also added that exact availability dates will vary by location, so there's absolutely no telling when the controllers will make their way to India. The DualSense controllers are probably the best example of next-gen gaming that I've seen from the PlayStation 5 thus far. They bring advanced features like adaptive triggers and immersive haptic feedback, and their slightly heftier build makes for a much more comfortable gamepad than the PS4 DualShock controllers that I have been using for years. Hopefully, the new colors will be available in India soon. So if you're itching to get your hands on these new colors, stay tuned because we will be posting more updates when they come out.